Yes, sir. Very happy evening to all. Sir, this video is for CA final students, those who are going to write in May 2025 exams. We A&M classes has scheduled a crash course for CA final level. I'm just going to explain which subject who will take. This is the plan we have made. From Jan 17 onwards, we are starting the crash course. The first subject we are going to start is FR, Financial Reporting, which is from Jan 17 to Feb 1, which is handled by E. Srinivas sir. The classes will be from morning 8 till 6 o'clock, a power-packed 15 days preparation. We will give one concept book and, sir, nearly 500 pages of solved workbook, and sir will solve majority of the important questions in the class. Sir, immediately after FR, we will be starting with AFM. Sir, I hope that everyone knows about Tarun sir. He will be starting from Feb 5 to February 14th. Sir, classes will be from the same time, morning 8 to 6 o'clock. And this time, we are going to conduct, sir, CA final audit with Ramosha sir. The classes is scheduled for 20 days, February 26 to March 17. Since this paper is theory, and you have to prepare along with the classes, we have scheduled the class from 7 to 1. Then after completion of that particular day's class, afternoon itself, you can sit and prepare. This is the schedule we are having for CA final for the coming May 25 examination. With regard to G2, we know that 3 subjects are there. Effectively 2 subjects except IBS, which is DT and IDT. Sir, from the last year onwards, for a 6 months, I am handling only one of the subject. Last time I have handled IDT, so this time I am going to take DT, which is from March 16th to April. 15 days of class, my dear lovable students. 15 to 20 days of class. DT I will be handled afternoon 2 to 7 is the schedule. Since I am having inter-schedules, I am not free in the morning slot. So 2 to 7 comfortably we can complete for 20 days. Effectively we can complete the direct tax. This is what the pricing also we have made. If you want to attend only one subject, it is 5,000 plus GST. And if you want group combo, that is G1 group combo, 14,000 plus GST. All the 4 subjects you want to take, it is 18 plus GST. This is what the schedule we are having for coming examination. If you have any further more queries, you can contact in this number 95008 10008. But some of the many students are asking that, sir, what about IDT, sir? You are not taking IDT face to face this time? Sir, for May, we are not conducting IDT face to face for CA final because of the shortage of the time. Because I can handle only one of the 2 subjects, either DT or IDT. So, my dear lovable students, if anyone is looking for my classes, IDT we have scheduled like this. Sir, we are having the latest recording of IDT, CA final IDT classes. Nearly it's come to 140 hours of recording. Except the reason amendments, everything is available in the recording. Chapter wise, supply is taking 10 hours, exemption is taking 13 hours, charge of GST 7 hours, nearly 7.5 hours. Like that, if you see, it comes to totally 137 hours. So if you want to do IDT with me, this class is available for you. 140 hours of detailed structured class. Sir, what and all your books are available? We are providing 5 books for the classes. One is compiler, compiler A, compiler N and compiler M. Actually, A and N are dealing with the interrelated topic, basically section 7 to section 53. And the last main compiler, which is exclusively CA final topics, my dear lovable students. And this time we have made a brilliant job with regard to the workbook. We have introduced 2 workbook for the CA final. This is the style of the workbook, my dear. This is workbook number 2 for CA final. We are having 2 workbooks. This is exclusively CA final topic. You know, the speciality of this workbook is, for example, if you take import and export under GST, I have designed all the ICA question under one slot. So you need to go and refer the ICAI that, sir, questions will be available. From that particular chapter, sir, if you want to do RTP and MTP question, that also covered in this particular, sir, session itself. And the past examination question also. That's what as set number M. So I have classified one chapter into 3 categories: set A, set N, and set M. For example, if you are seeing refund, set A ICA questions are available. The coming one, the next one, sir, set N, with regard to that chapter, RTP and MTP questions are available. And also past examination questions are, sir, we have designed. So set N, RTP and MTP question. And from the same chapter, we have given the past examination also. This is how we have given the 2 workbooks. So my dear lovable students, this is what the resources available. Basically 3 modules are to understand the provision and 2 modules are to apply the provisions. These are the books available. Sir, what more we need other than this 140 hours of class? Sir, this 140 hours in addition to this, nearly 15-20 hours of amendment surely there for the coming May. There is no doubt about it. That we are going to do from this Jan onwards. From the start of Jan, we will be updating amendments, 25 hours of amendment as a separate folder in the class. My dear lovable students, now the main problem is, if it is face to face, we will sit here for 20 days and we will complete the portion. I don't know whether you will be able to complete that effectively or not. So what I am going to do is, those who are going to join my classes for the May, I will create a separate Telegram group only for those students. And I will create weekly targets. It's like a home tuition. Like this week, you are supposed to complete this topic. So every week I will be putting at least one, sir, guidance video in that Telegram, that giving you target and how to complete that particular thing. And when your RTP and MTP for the relevant RTP MTP comes out, I will be doing that. And also, sir, one consolidated mock test will be free as a part of this. Sir, how to move forward for our May examination. Sir, we are actually Jan, Feb, March, April and May. 5 months are there. May is the exam, so leave it. 4 months are there effectively. In that, my dear lovable students, since the results have came very early, no need to study at April that month. We can keep it exclusively for revision and mock test. Exclusively re-revising the amendment, all those stuffs. So we have to complete the classes by Jan, Feb and March. 3 months are available. Effectively 150 hours of class means 50 hours a month. 50 hours a month means max to max. You have to surrender to me 2 hours a day. You have to see the video. You have to match with the workbook. And you have to cumulatively revise. That how to cumulatively revise also I will help you, sir, weekly basis, my dear lovable students. So this is the class available for IDT for this May. If you are interested in these features and if you are interested in the class, you can surely join for this class. I will support you, sir, till your examination, and you can take all other classes as face-to-face, my dear lovable students. For this class, sir, for 5 months validity, if you want till Jan, Feb, March, April and May till your exams, the fees what we are charging is 5,000 plus GST, the same fees of all the subjects. Sir, I will be completing the class within 3 months itself. Then I don't want the extended. So that also we are doing, which is 4,000 plus GST, and we will be giving you soft copy for books. If you want the hard copy, you have to order it separately, and we'll be charging only the printing cost of that, my dear lovable students. So if you are properly studying, structurally studying the classes and revising on a cumulative basis and applying that into the workbook, then my dear lovable students, it is very much possible, plan very properly, plan very effectively and execute that plan. So if you are able to spend a day to us, either morning or evening or afternoon, whatever it may be, then I will take care of your indirect taxes for the coming May. And if you are able to spend 20 days with me for direct tax, my dear lovable students, sir, I will be taking care of your DT final. This is the available courses for the May 25 examination. So, we are going to mark our presence very strongly in the May 25. If you want only particular subjects, you can go with that also. If you want only FR, you can go with that. Only audit, you can go with that, because this is absolutely crash course. We are here to serve you, and sir, we will rock together in the coming attempt May 2025. I'm wishing you all the very best. And if you are having any further more queries regarding the classes, regarding the DT and IDT, you can contact me itself. You can send me a WhatsApp, which my number 9605001043. This is my number. And if you have any other queries regarding the other subjects, you can contact the admin in the number which I have already said to you, 95 sir 008 and 1008. I hope that I have cleared all the relevant points which is applicable for these classes. If I have anything missed out, you can contact the admin. I'm wishing you all the very best, my dear lovable students. We will meet for the respective classes. Thank you. Bye bye from my end.